Consumer price inflation moderated slightly in November to 7.4% from the 7.6% in October. The three categories with the highest annual inflation rates in November were transport at 15.3%, food and non-alcoholic beverages at 12.5%, and restaurants and hotels at 7.9%. Food and non-alcoholic beverages inflation climbed for the seventh consecutive month. This rising trend is mainly driven by inflation in bread and cereals products, which reached an annual rate of 19.9% in November, up from 19.5% in October, and notably higher than the modest 2.3% recorded in November 2021. The average price of a 2.5 kg bag of maize meal was 34 rands and 8 cents in November, up from the 25 rand 59 12 months ago. The annual inflation rate for meat was 10.5% in November, unchanged from October. Bacon and other pork products increased by 6.4% and 1.9% respectively in the month. Prices of milk, eggs and cheese products rose by 10.9% in the 12 months to November, slightly higher than October's rate of 10.5%. Coffee whitener increased by 4.6% between October and November, and full cream long life milk by 2.4%. The annual rate of change in the oils and fats index declined for the third consecutive month to 24.8%. The average price for a 750 ml bottle of sunflower oil was 38 rand and 12 cents in November, compared to the peak of 45 rand 33 recorded in July. The transport index recorded its fourth consecutive month of slowing inflation, with the annual rate declining to 15.3%, largely the result of falling fuel prices in recent months. Used vehicle prices continue to increase rapidly, with consecutive monthly increases of approximately 1.3% since the beginning of this year. Prices charged by restaurants and hotels increased by 7.9% in the year to November. Of that, restaurant prices increased by 7% and hotels by 10.1%. Electronic goods feature in a number of different CPI categories, and several of these experienced large monthly price increases, including laptops at 1.6%, cell phones at 1.7%, and digital cameras at 5.3%. Television prices, however, declined by 1.5%. You can get more information on the Consumer Price Index at our website at www.statssa.gov.za.